Have you ever wondered what sets those select few individuals apart from the rest? The ones who seem to effortlessly attract success, abundance, and all the joys that life has to offer. It may appear as though luck is constantly shining upon them, but the truth lies in a hidden power they possess, the power of positive thinking and the art of mastering affirmations. In this riveting video, we embark on an extraordinary journey to unravel the mystery behind these remarkable individuals who have cracked the code to living the life of their dreams. Brace yourselves as we delve deep into the power of affirmations and how they can transform your life for the better. Drawing upon the wisdom of the renowned Neville Goddard, we will navigate through the vast realms of positive self-talk, manifestation through affirmations, the immense power of self-affirmations, and the essentiality of approaching affirmations with detachment and playfulness. Prepare to be captivated by the secrets that lie within the fabric of your thoughts. By the end of this video, you will possess the essential tools required to unlock the true potential of affirmations, forever changing the trajectory of your life. But beware, my friends, for this journey is not for the faint-hearted. It will challenge your beliefs, expose you to the depths of your inner desires, and invite you to embrace the boundless power that resides within your mind. Are you ready to step into a world where dreams are no longer distant visions but tangible realities? Are you prepared to harness the astonishing power of affirmations and unlock a life of abundance, success, and fulfillment that you truly deserve? The time has come to seize the reins of your destiny, to redefine the path that lies before you. Together, let us embark on this gripping expedition, embracing the transformative magic of affirmations. The power is within your grasp. The enigma of affirmations awaits to be unraveled. Prepare to witness your own metamorphosis. The journey to transformation begins now. Welcome to a world where dreams manifest, where affirmations are your guiding stars. If you are new here, please hit the like button and subscribe our channel for such informational and motivational videos on manifestation. Let's get started. Affirmations enable us to consciously select our thoughts and channel them towards positive self-talk, thereby constructing a new narrative about ourselves and our lives. Through this process, we can replace negative thought patterns with empowering ideas that attract success into our lives. Recognizing our current thought patterns, beliefs, and self-narratives is crucial in order to challenge and replace these detrimental notions with affirmations. Merely repeating affirmations without genuine feeling or conviction is insufficient. It is essential to visualize the fulfillment of our wishes and experience the corresponding emotions for maximum effectiveness. To ensure this occurs each time we use an affirmation, it is important to set an intention beforehand, such as "I will visualize the life I desire." This approach allows our subconscious mind to comprehend our aspirations, naturally aligning our desired reality with our present reality. By implementing Neville Goddard's wisdom on the correct usage of affirmations, we can initiate the development of positive self-talk, leading us towards personal growth and transformation. The power of affirmations is undeniable. They can be a powerful tool in manifesting an individual's desires. However, there are many reasons why using affirmations may not work. One reason is that individuals may not believe their affirmations and speak them from a place of lack or scarcity, rather than truth and alignment with their current reality. This undermines the effectiveness of the affirmation, as it is not spoken from a place of conviction or faith in its future realization. Another potential obstacle to using affirmations effectively is negative self-talk or limiting beliefs that override the positive statements being spoken. For example, if an individual says "I am successful," but deep down believes "I will never be successful," then this belief will take precedence over the affirmation, rendering it ineffective. To get the most out of your affirmations, It is important to practice consistently by setting aside time each day and connecting with the feeling of what it would be like to have your desire fulfilled when speaking them. Neville Goddard believed this was essential for success in manifestation efforts. Additionally, while affirmations should be a part of one's manifesting toolkit, other techniques such as visualization, gratitude, and taking action steps should also be incorporated for the best results. With these tips on hand, you can unlock the power of affirmations and transform your life. When using affirmations for self-improvement or personal growth, there are some points to consider. Affirming statements should align with our current feelings or wants to achieve more effective results. Otherwise, they may make us feel worse instead of better. Affirmations should be used like planting a seed, provide what they need, and let nature take its course, instead of trying to force something that isn't there yet. Instead of trying to convince ourselves with affirmations, we should use them as replacement thoughts for unwanted destructive ones that may manifest into reality if not changed in time. Affirmations are a powerful tool, but should also be enjoyable and not seen as a chore. Therefore, checking our feelings is crucial to ensure that they truly resonate with us before repeating them daily. Moreover, remember that changing ourselves is what leads to transformation, not anyone or anything else external to us. Lastly, when done correctly, affirmations have the potential to transform your life for the better. It is essential that we approach affirmations from a place of calmness and detachment rather than fear or desperation. This will help us manifest our desires into reality quickly and easily, according to the law of attraction. We must plant our seed with an attitude of joy, excitement, trust, and playfulness in order for it to manifest as intended. Making affirming fun rather than seeing them as a chore will bring more positive experiences into your life as you use them with the right intention and mindset. When used correctly, affirmations can be incredibly powerful tools for personal growth and success in all areas of life, whether it's career success or relationship goals that we have set out for ourselves. And there you have it, my friends. The incredible power of affirmations, a gateway to personal growth and transformation, right at your fingertips. Through the wisdom of Neville Goddard, we have uncovered the secrets to unlocking the extraordinary potential of positive thinking and manifesting our desires. As we come to the end of this remarkable journey, it is essential to remember that affirmations hold within them the power to shape our thoughts, beliefs, and ultimately, our reality. By embracing Neville Goddard's advice on how to use affirmations, we have opened the floodgates to a life of abundance, joy, and limitless possibilities. The road to transformation lies before you, my friends, and it starts with understanding that affirmations are not mere empty words spoken into the void. They are the seeds that, when nurtured with detachment, playfulness, and unyielding faith, blossom into our deepest desires. With each affirmation, with each moment of conscious creation, you are propelling yourself toward a life of abundance, love, and fulfillment. So what are you waiting for? The power to transform your life is within your grasp. Let today mark the beginning of a new chapter, one where affirmations become an integral part of your daily practice. Unlock the power of affirmations and witness the profound impact they can have on your personal growth and the creation of your dream life. Thank you for joining me on this awe-inspiring journey of self-discovery and affirmation magic. As you go forth, may your heart be filled with unwavering belief, boundless joy, and the knowledge that you have the ability to shape your reality. Wishing you endless success, abundance, and the unwavering determination to manifest your greatest desires. Remember, you have the power to transform your life with the remarkable tool of affirmations. Until we meet again, keep affirming, keep believing, and keep creating your dream life. Goodbye and take care. May the power of affirmations be your guiding light in every step you take.